Look at this police van. It's cool, isn't it? Let's go. So guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're here in Torremolinos, and we're going to take a walk down the back roads, because obviously there's a lot of sort of little bars, restaurants down these back roads. I think I'm a little bit away from it, so I've got to take a quick walk for you guys down there. But let's go. You can see in the background that police. That is one of the coolest police vans I've seen. Black, blinged out, wasn't it? Blinged out. I was expecting them to come in that corner playing some tunes. But yeah, let's go. So yeah, some nice apartments here. If you had one of these apartments, it'd be lovely, wouldn't it? My arm's killing me already. This new gimbal is really, really heavy. I'm going to have to build up my arms a bit more, and So you got Pharmacia. Let's keep going. Sort of reminds you like an old town, doesn't it, around here? All quirky. I like that type of vibe. New stuff like Barcelona. I've been to the Gothic Quarter, I've gone to Barcelona, I've gone to the Olympic Stadium, I've gone to the beach, I've gone up to Monte Pelé, I think it's called Mont something. I've been up to, we actually got a boat. Me and Sabrina are hilarious. We went on Facebook, on Marketplace, and we searched inflatable boat. That's where the sea is. We searched for inflatable boat, and they had someone was selling one for like 30 euro. It's a big one, like you could fit maybe 3 or 4 people inside it. And we let me get you the prices on there. And we took it and we just walked around. We didn't walk. We blew it up, took it out into the water, and we just let it go. We just drifted like along Barcelona water. We started off in actual Barcelona, and then we went all the way up to Monte Pelé, I think it was Monte Pelé, and I think that's what it's called. It's probably not, but yeah, we went all the way up to there. It took a while actually, because we actually stopped. And hooked up to a boy, had a drink. We had drinks with us, we had music with us, we had everything. It was a wonderful day. We took some amazing pictures of like the coastline, and it's just an experience. If you've never been to another country and just brought yourself a little dinghy and gone out into the water and just let the tide take you, because obviously going one way, it's going to go the other way, isn't it? So you just sit there and just relax. And we went all the way down. We got the train back, deflated it and got the train back. Yeah. Vivi. But yeah. I've never been to like the new town, where they got all the new buildings, I guess, you know. Never ever been there before. In Barcelona. It's just not my thing. Casa Juan. So yeah, I'm never interested in a Casa Juan restaurant as well. Yeah, I've never really been interested in going to cities. So like going to New York, no thank you. I'd rather go to Miami, because it's got a beach. Quite cool. But yeah. Never ever been interested in going to New York, Chicago, all that crap. You keep that to your little CSI programs and that. They don't really do anything for me. This one's really busy, this one. There's a thing they say when you're in Spain, if you go to a place and it's got like loads of like rubbish on the floor, then that means that the food's really good and the locals all go there. That's when you go to a tapas place, I've been told. People just chuck all the stuff on the floor for some reason. Guess it's just normal. They come clean it up for you. So it's €8 in there for a margarita. Not too bad. Everyone enjoying themselves. Look at that, 6 tapas for 11. Not bad at all. This one here, a little gelato place. So yeah, look at this. I like this. This is my little thing. I like the beach and I like these little quirky roads. This really reminds me of like Portugal. When you're in Albufeira around the old town, it's exactly what it's like. You know what I always say? Now we've been going to Portugal quite a long time, is that you've got to start looking upwards. The only reason I say look upwards is because up here, if you watch the video when I'm in Albufeira next, I'll show you. Everything up here looks okay. When you look in Albufeira, everything on the level like where you are, it looks beautiful. If you just look up, everything I say is going to be falling down. So, be careful. There's no prices. There's no prices on there. It just says what time stuff's open. But yeah.
Maatje, hoe is het?
Pardon?
Goed?
Good?
Good?
Good, yeah. You?
Livestream.
No, no live stream, just video.
No live stream.
No live stream, no. Just video for YouTube.
Yes, bouw eruit.
What's YouTube?
The channel, Wagwan Tours.
Sorry?
Wagwan Tours.
Who?
Wagwan.
Wat man?
Yeah, you know, like Jamaica. Wagwan. Yeah.
Usain Bolt.
Yeah, exactly. Wagwan. Yeah. So Wagwan Tours.
We're coming from Holland.
Holland boys.
We're coming from Holland. We are met 81st.
Wow, lovely.
En die is gay.
Only today. Hey, come.
Cheers, lads. Yeah. Have a good holiday. Holland boys. We need to go to Holland actually. We've never been to Holland. We've never been to Holland before. So yeah, Amsterdam has to happen at some point. Well, this place here, hold on a second. I'm still trying to look for a nice Guinness somewhere. That's €6 for a pizza and a glass of wine. Hello. So yeah, I want to go, like a nice Guinness, would be nice. Vamos. Yeah, everyone having fun. It's nice. It's nice, everyone having fun. Oh, you've got the Carrefour here. Open till 9:30. Look at that, 9 a.m. opening. Well, it must be really early risers in England because every time I want to go to the shop, it's closed when I go to Spain. But yeah, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and there's a hype button, so if you can hit that hype, it'd be great. But I don't know really what that even does. There's like a hype chart or something, and you can get us to the top. I never even check it. Don't know really what it is, but cheers guys, I know for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.